This automatic pool cleaner has saved me hours of vacuuming my pool. So let me show you how it works. This product was given to me as a gift in exchange for my honest opinion after trying it out. If you're tired of spending your weekends vacuuming your pool by hand like I was, this automatic pool cleaner can do the hard work for you while you get to relax. This is the iGarden cordless robotic pool cleaner. It is an AI-powered pool vacuum that cleans your pool, floor, walls, and the waterline with its smart navigation, and it's even app controlled. It can be really time consuming to keep a pool clean, especially if you're constantly brushing the walls, vacuuming all the stuff that gets in there, untangling cords. But with this iGarden pool vacuum, I didn't have to deal with any of that. Some of my favorite features are that first off, there was no assembly whatsoever. It basically came exactly like this, ready to use. All I had to do was plug it in and charge it up first. I love the app in that it has this navigation function where I'm able to map out efficient cleaning paths for my pool. It even allows me to decide if I want to do only the water line, only the walls, only the floor, a combination, or everything. It's completely cordless. All you have to do is plug it in, and then it can run pretty much up to 4 hours at a time. Once you're ready to use it, you simply turn it on, set it to the mode that you want it to be, and how you want it to clean, drop it in the water ever so gently, and then you can either use the app to get it going, or it will just start automatically if you turn the power on and set the settings before you actually drop it into the pool. I love that it not only cleans the floors, but it cleans the walls. It's quick and efficient and super easy to use. And it actually works with both in-ground pools and above-ground pools. Overall, this has been such a great option for me to be able to automatically clean my pool. It has saved me so much time, and it makes it super easy to get a really annoying job done. Plus, it's very easy to clean. After I took it out of the water, all I had to do was take out the top filter piece here, and I just simply sprayed it with a hose to get all of that stuff out. Overall, I would highly recommend this iGarden pool vacuum if you're looking for something that delivers full pool coverage, an amazing ability to clean, and super convenient hands-free operation. Highly recommend.